Today you'll be learning roster notation with Ray Bernanke. See, on this ugly graph, I plotted 3 points that have no correlation. Let's figure out where they're at on the graph. Okay, so we have this blue point, which is at 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. On this purple point, we have 1, 2, 3, -1. And on this other purple point, we have -1, comma 2. Okay, so let's put these points down here. So we have 3, comma 3, 3, -1, and -1, 2. Okay, so for roster notation, you're basically gonna put all the x-axis points in order from least to greatest, and same with the y points. Okay, so let's put -1 first because it's the smallest. And then we just put 3, not 2 3s, only 1 because they share the same number. Okay, for this y, we're going to put -1 because it's the smallest. And then we're going to put 2, and then 3. Okay, let's do the same thing with this 4 points on this better graph. Okay, so we have this blue point at 0, 0. We have this orange point at -3, 3. This pink point at 2, 2, and this green point at 2, comma, -4. Okay, so let's put these points down here. We have 0, 0. We have this green point at 2, -4. This orange point at -3, 3, and this pink point at 2, 2. Okay, so we're going to do the roster notation for these 4 points. So let's put the x-axis numbers in order. So we start with the lowest number at -3, and then we go to 0, 2, and that's all because we don't repeat the 2. For the y-axis, we have -4, 0, 2, and then 3. Okay, so that is the roster notation for this graph. Our final example is this big graph on the back with the same amount of points, and there are also no correlation. Okay, so we have this green dot at 4, 5, this orange dot at -4, -4, this red dot at 5, -5, and this purple dot at 5, 4. Okay, so let's put these points down here. We have -4, comma, -4. We have 4, 5. We have, oh, excuse me, this point is actually at -4, 5. That's my bad. So we have -4, 5, 5, -5, and we have 5, 4. Okay, so let's put all these points in roster notation. So we start with this, we put the smallest x value first in between these brackets. So we have -4, and then we have 5. So both of those numbers repeat, so we only put them once. And then for the y, we have -4. We have -5. Oh, excuse me. The -5 goes first because it is smaller. That's my bad. We have -5, -4, 4, and then 5. Okay, so that is roster notation. Thank you.